Good morning, dear children. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well. Today, we are going to start with a new chapter, Lesson 17, The Earth and the Sky. Now, children, what are we going to learn in this chapter? What makes our Earth so special? What is the solar system? Difference between stars and planet? Different constellations. Now, children, you all know we live on the planet Earth. Our Earth is very special as it is the only planet to have life. The Earth is like a giant ball of rock. There are mountains, hills, valleys, rivers, ponds, lakes, oceans, sea, and also desert on its surface. The Earth is surrounded by a layer of air called as its atmosphere. Now, the presence of the land, air, water on the Earth's surface make life possible on it. Now, if you look at the picture of the Earth taken from the space, it appears to be blue in color with few patches of brown and green. Now, this is because 72% of the Earth's surface is covered with water, which appears blue, and only 28 is land, which is shown by brown and green. As a result, the Earth is also known as the blue planet. The solar system. The family of the sun is called the solar system. It is made of sun, 8 planets and their moon. The solar system is so called because here the sun is in the center and all the planets are revolving around it. Children, we all see sun in the sky every day, and it is because of the sun we have heat and light. Have you ever wondered if there was no sun, what would have happened? The sun is the nearest star to the earth. Sun is a huge ball of fire made up of hot burning gases which keeps burning all the time. That is why it produces more heat and light. The sun is so big that many earths can fit inside it. But it appears to be small because it is very far away from us. Now, why sun is important to us? Because sun gives us heat and light which make it possible for life to exist on earth. Plants need sunlight to grow and prepare their food. Animals and humans depend on the plants for their food and oxygen. The sun heats water from the water bodies and turns them into water vapor, which on cooling form clouds and bring rain. Sun gives us natural heat and light and is a source of energy known as solar energy. Planet. Now children, what is a planet? Any natural object that revolves around the sun is called a planet. There are 8 planets in our solar system, and these are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Now children, planets do not have light and heat of their own. They move around the sun and get heat and light from it. Planets do not appear to twinkle in the sky but shine with a steady light. You know children, Jupiter is the largest planet while Mercury is the smallest planet of our solar system. Our Earth is the 3rd planet from the Sun. Moon. The Moon is the Earth's closest neighbor and its natural satellite. Now children, what is a satellite? Satellite is a body in space that moves around a planet. So the moon revolves around the earth and it is its natural satellite. Moon is dry and barren. It has no air and water and it has no light of its own. Now, how does it shine? It shines as it reflects the light of the sun from its surface. Children, you know, Neil Armstrong and Edwin Aldrin were the first 2 astronauts to step on the moon. Now children, you may have noticed the moon appears to change the shape each night. Some nights the moon might look like a narrow crescent, Other nights, the moon might look like a bright circle, and on other nights, you might not be able to see the moon at all. The different shapes of the moon we see at different times of the month are called the moon phases. Now, why does this happen? The shape of the moon is not changing. It is our view of the moon that is changing. Now, we all know that the moon revolves around the earth and it has no light of its own. The moonlight is actually the sunlight reflecting off the moon surface. We only see the part of the moon which is lit by the sun as it moves around the earth. This lit part of the moon always points to the sun. When we see the whole moon, then it is called a full moon or Purnima. When none of the moon is lit up, this is called a new moon. Stars. Stars are a huge ball of gases which have their own heat and light just like sun. But they are very far from us, so they appear to be small. Now sometimes the stars appear to form patterns, and these patterns look like figures of animals, people or things. These patterns of stars are called constellation. So we can say that constellation is a group of stars that form an imaginary shape. There are many constellations which can be seen in the sky like Saptarishi, Scorpio, Orion, Leo, Ursa Major, etc. Now children, let us revise what we have learned in this chapter. The Earth is a unique planet. The Sun is the closest star to the Earth and it gives us heat and light. Planets are round in shape and they move around the Sun. The Moon is the Earth's closest neighbor and it moves around the Earth. Stars form patterns in the sky called constellations. Thank you children and have a nice day.